Hey, happy Monday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So this one, I just wanted to jump into the release notes. I just sort of thought this would be easier. So quick heads up, invoicing minor enhancements. One-time invoices will now be created in the list view only when the user saves or sends the invoice. Added the action to clone invoices, so you can now clone invoices. So if we look at the screenshot right here, you can see that the clone option is there. And I know the screenshot is cut off, but you can kind of see where that is. Fix the issue of not being able to select products inside the builder. If the product list is too long, improve the metrics view and the message. So you can see all that. That's awesome. Awesome job to the team for that. Next up, workflow updates. So allow custom values in the if-else conditions. So there's two parts. So the field level, so allowing to filter context based on location level custom values. So that means custom values.summer offer is active, then send the summer offer email. So you can actually use the custom values in the if-else conditions. So with this, you'll only have to set the custom value to inactive and all your workflows will be taken care of instead of having to go through all the workflows and changing them. So that's pretty awesome. And then, so that's the field level. And then the value level, right, is comparing any supported field in the value to a custom value. So for example, in this case, contact.phone contains +1. You can say update the contact's country to the US, and I'll show you this in just a second in the screenshots. And then real quick, I don't want to skip over this because it's super important. You can see here two trigger types to the definitive loop list. So a lot of times people inadvertently create loops and workflows. Don't worry, I won't name any names, but obviously this causes havoc for yourself, and it can also cause havoc for the system as well, because it's just sitting there grinding away on all kinds of server resources and wasting a lot of time. So you can see right here, we will not draft the trigger loop, and it will not block it. It will not execute the trigger once the conditions are met. It just skips the execution. So look at this real quick. If you have ever run into this or you're curious, you can read through it, and that's awesome. But I do want to show off these screenshots, so hold on just 2 seconds. Okay, my big head is out of the way. So you can see here, this is the if-else conditions segment, and you can see where you can actually select custom values to precisely grab that. And then, so Google is, and again, you can do the same thing over here, and this is just showing off the value side of the house. So anyways, huge props to the workflow team for getting this done. As always, if any of you have any questions, do let us know. And otherwise, I hope you're having an awesome Monday, and I will talk to you again in a minute. Thanks.